गुरुर्ब्रह्मा गुरुर्विष्णुः गुरुर्देवो महेश्वरः गुरुः साक्षात् परब्रह्मा तस्मै श्री गुरवे नमः। With the blessings of our beloved Guru, our guardian angel, the light of our lives, Shirdi Sai Baba, we are immensely grateful to Dijan Jayavahi, author of Sai Baba is Still Alive, the book which taught us to love Baba more, the book which connected all of us to Dijan, the book which made us the channels of his energies to flow through. Thanking you, Dijan, from the bottom of our hearts. On April 12th, 2014, a small group of Shirdi Sai Baba devotees gathered together, eagerly waiting for an experience that they didn't realize at that time would change their lives forever. As bells tinkled in symphony with the spirited flames of the diyas, Dijan emerged from the puja room. Soaked in the overpowering aroma of Baba, Dijan started talking about a magical power tool called Reiki. She attuned this gathering of devotees, and at the end of the very first Reiki session, this small group became Baba's Reiki healers for life. Jayavahi, fondly called Dijan among her followers, draws her energies from Sai Baba of Shirdi and has healed scores of people with severe physical and emotional complications. Today, on April 12, 2016, exactly 2 years later, her relentless pursuit of making the world pain-free has resulted in a strong, resilient army of 375 Reiki healers around the globe. Dijan surges ahead with Baba's blessings and an unwavering mission of having at least one healer in every family. Dijan's blissful, Babaful journey has inspired, ignited, and illuminated the lives of healers across the world. We are now part of a big cosmic Sai family, spreading love, bringing smiles, touching lives, and healing the world.
Om Sai Ram. How it all began. It's not a question. It's an endless journey in itself. It takes me back to some beautiful lanes down the memory. When Jayadi once asked me at night, Neha, can't it be that this world is pain-free? Can't everybody just smile and be happy? May there be no stress, no distress, no pain, just joy, bliss and happiness. I smiled at her question. I knew it was beautiful and meaningful and came from within, but wondered what and how to answer her. She came up with an answer herself and said, Neha, I can heal just one, maybe 2, 3, 5 in a day. What if my hands multiplied and each and every house had my hands? So many hands to heal. 4 pairs of hands doing the wrong things and 1 pair of hands correcting it. Don't you think that the balance would be perfect? I smiled at her and wondered in my mind was it really possible? But knowing Didi, knowing Reiki, knowing Baba and the masters, I knew nothing was impossible. And this is how the journey began. Healers after healers, hands after hands, hearts after hearts kept joining in. The family kept growing, increasing, brimming with love, joy, sincerity, dedication, and healing. People all across the world came in with hearts so pure, with service so genuine, and owned up Didi's dream as their very own. And today we stand tall as an army of beautiful healers, ensuring Didi's vision comes true soon.
Reiki is made of two Japanese words. Rei is God and Ki is energy. And so, Reiki is God's energy. For us, Baba's Reiki healers, it is Baba's energy. Dijan, in her book Sai Baba is Still Alive, says, anything aspired for with unblemished faith and fervent prayers bears fruit. Baba's miracle child Rishi stands testimony to these words. Rishi met with a crippling car accident that left him bedridden. The doctors declared that he would never be able to speak again. With Baba's grace and focused Reiki healing, we present to you Rishi.
Hi, Om Sai Ram. My name is Rishank Chibba. I had met by a very serious accident in 2003, and doctors had said I will never be able to speak or walk again. But Jaya Didi prayed with me to Sai Baba and I got my voice back. Thank you, Jaya Didi. I love you.
Baba Sai is the magician. We are just channels. Baba is the healer. He flows and he heals. Presenting the transformational journeys of some of our Reiki healers.
Om Sai Ram. This is Aarti from Tamil Nadu. Dee has been a wonderful influence in my life. Through her book Sai Baba is Still Alive, she brought me much closer to Baba. And I got attuned in Reiki by her. Since then I've been healing myself and the needy. It's been a wonderful journey with her. Thank you, Baba, for bringing Dee in my life. And she is a package of bliss, happiness, positive energy, love, and her love is so unconditional that you can't resist falling in love with her again and again. And all I wish for her is good health, and I wish many more should be experiencing this divine bliss, because it means so much to me, and I'm very sure that it will bring a phenomenal change in your lives too. Thank you.
Om Sai. My name is Sweta, and I'm a privileged member of Jaya Didi's Army of Healers. It is truly a blessing to be under Didi's healing umbrella. It is incredible how Jaya Didi has scaled the power of healing and amplified it with Baba's miraculous energies. The journey as a healer is truly inexplicable. To understand and experience the power and strength of Didi's mission to heal the world and its impact, one has to become a part of it. Anyone with true devotion and sincerity can become a beautiful healer under Didi's guidance. Jaya Didi, thank you so much for being that beautiful guiding light in my life, and also for providing so much strength and purpose to the lives of all the healers in this family.
Hi friends, Reiki has really been a blessing in my life. Earlier I used to live in so much of stress, tension, anxiety. I always had this fear of tomorrow in my heart. What's going to happen tomorrow? Which actually prevented me from living in the present and enjoy my life. I had become this kind of unhappy and restless person. But after taking Reiki initiation, I felt a very positive shift in my life. I become calm and peaceful as a person. I've got the strength to handle day-to-day problems to tackle any kind of difficulties in my life, because I feel more connected with my masters and gurus, stronger than before, which give me kind of comfort and confidence in myself. And at the same time, as a healer, I've got this opportunity to heal my friends, my relatives, people around who are in distress, and I've got this opportunity to bring more light and happiness in their lives as well myself. So I think this is much more what I can expect it, which I expected from my life, and I've got this purpose of my life, which my life has become more fruitful and purposeful now.
Reiki is simple, intuitive, and even children can experience this magic. Here are some of our vibrant young healers.
Om Sai Ram. Hello, my name is Sanjana from Singapore, a first degree healer of the Reiki Healers World Academy. After Baba entered my world through this wonderful form known as Reiki, I felt so blissed and blessed, and I'd love to give my hearty thanks to Jayadi. The first thing I healed after getting Reiki was a little butterfly with a broken wing. I took it in and gave it Reiki healing for 2 days, and by the next day it was flapping its wings freely and flying around. So great and merciful is our Baba. A little butterfly that was barely able to stand for 2 minutes is now flapping its wings and flying free. Friends, we all love Baba because he loved us first. And whoever is attuned to Reiki or is going to be, I can assure you that for the rest of your life, you're going to feel happy, blissful, and blessed because you are deeply and dearly loved by our Father, our Baba. Om Sai.
Om Sai Ram. My name is Sean Rodriguez. I live in Dubai and I am 8 years old. I am a Reiki healer. My lovely teacher, Mrs. Jayavahi, taught me Reiki to first and second degree. Now I have the power to not only heal myself but also heal all my pets and people around me. I want to practice this awesome method and get to third degree so I can make this world a better place and spread the news of this awesome technique of healing.
Om Sai Ram. When we surrender at Baba's feet, with strength in our hearts, conviction in our minds, and effulgence of our soul, all of this woven together in a single thread beautifully, the outcome, of course, is instant gratification of what we've prayed for. A particularly interesting story is of this 3-year-old baby with Down syndrome. Within just a month of healing, this child with extremely limited movement and who could not even walk now dances to Baba's tunes. Equally poignant is the story of a little girl who was terrified of flowers, almost like a phobia. With regular healing, this child can now be around flowers and also enjoy Baba's creation in all its glory. Another very interesting story is of this worried mother-in-law who started healing for her son-in-law who lost his job all of a sudden. He comes right back after a couple of days and asks her to heal him some more. Guess why? This time it was because he had 5 different glorious job offers to choose from. I can in fact keep going on and on. There are so many stories. Yes, I remember another one of this autistic boy who hated textbooks. He would refuse to go to school and he almost threw the books that were given to him. With Baba's blessings and regular healing sessions, this child is now all set to face his board exams. Another heartening experience is of this pregnant lady who was almost shocked and devastated when the doctor told her that she had to abort her baby because the baby wasn't fully developed in her womb. In fact, if I rightly remember, this lady conceived after a lot of difficulty. Of course, with our Baba's mercy, his grace, his blessings and his beautiful Reiki magic, this lady went on to carry her baby full term and delivered a happy, healthy baby. On one hand, Baba has blessed a little life to come into this world with all his grace. On the other part of the world, there was this man struggling for his life. A 70-year-old had slipped into coma. He had lost his consciousness, was on ventilator, and the doctors had almost given up hopes. With Baba's blessings, his healing, in just 1 day, the man regained consciousness. On the second day, he was out of the ventilator, and the third day, he was shifted to his ward. The stories are endless, just like Baba Sai's blessings. With his blessings and our Dijan's abundant love, our Baba Reiki Healers Army will continue to spread joy and love and healing across the world. Miracles are nothing but prayers offered with true conviction and belief. Our faith in Baba Sai, our prayers to him magically stimulate each and every miracle because the chief magician is our Baba Sai.
When he is the healer, Dijan, a guiding light, we are unstoppable. What is it that can stop us? We can heal when we put our heart together. We can heal when we put our prayers together. We can heal a thought. We can heal an event. We can heal misery. We can heal afflictions, mental, physical, emotional, births that we've left behind, moments that are going to come. We can heal them all. Plants, animals, flowers, children. We are unstoppable, as I say. Want to be a part of us? Want to heal and grow and glow and bathe in Baba's light? Join us and be a part of Baba's Reiki Healers Army. Om Sai.
With Baba's grace, with his energies, with complete faith in his feet, with him as our guiding star, we tread his golden path into his arms, unto his feet. Om Sai Ram.